Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's see what will happen gold XAU USD next week. I am on 4-hour chart. Now I am moved to the line chart and you can see left side huge support, and this support will be resistance in this area. You can see this move, huge downtrend was continuing last week. You can see it now. This zone, this is the nearest sell zone. Price will be reacted this zone. I already marked this zone in green color. This is the sell zone. Price will reach next week. Okay, I'll mark this move. You can see this move. I am drawing trend line. Trend line was already broken. You can see it last week. Trend line was broken. Okay, I am considering this move, this downtrend move already finished now, and price now continue to high. I am considering this move, this downtrend move, drop, base, drop. This move have already created 3 waves and broken this trend line. Okay, this downtrend move has 3 waves already finished this wave, and this zone I am going to mark this zone. This is the QM reversal buy zone. Price will be retest this zone. I am hoping next week price will be retest this zone and continue to high to the sell zone. That's my prediction in gold next week, and again this zone price will be drop again. That's my prediction in gold next week. There's a buy opportunity in gold next week. Use your lot size properly.